Day 30, our last day of the tour, has us go 129 miles north from San Felipe to Mexicali in the U.S. border.
You're going to go around the roundabout and exit to the north. You'll see a Calamax sign to your left. That is the direction we are exiting the roundabout. You stay in the left-hand lane, you just keep on going. Stay in the left-hand lane and you do not need to stop. Wagon masters are moving into the right-hand lane, heading towards the Calamax. We're going to pass the wagon masters, and then we're going to merge to the left lane, as the Arco is up ahead on the left-hand side of the highway. Okay, Danny, you follow us. Diesel is around the back. They're just going to wave you through. Let us know if they don't.
Free is through.
You took a right here. It would take you onto Highway 3. That goes over to the west coast, to Ensenada and Tijuana.
Struggling, not doing it.
Josie, do you know what they're mining over there on the left?
They actually mine a really high-grade white coal over there.
Never heard of white coal.
What was that?
They mine a really high-grade white coal. It's a special white coal.
Huh, never heard of that. We have a coal holder coming towards us, a coal holder. Hey guys, we got a semi coming towards us, and I need to let you know that Lorne's full of crap. There's no such thing as white coal. What they mine over there is gold, lead, and copper.
That saves me a Google search.
White coal. He said it twice too.
Yeah. No, he could have said white gold.
I'm putting it in the video. This is the rights to those campings like that.
We're going to pull over to the left for a quick stop.
Wow.
Sorry for the last minute. The kilometers on our pages are wrong. Right of us is the end of the Colorado River. To our right is Campo Moscata, or it's called Mosquito Creek. We've actually stayed in there. It's way prettier than what you can see right now, but it is on the Colorado River, and it's a huge recreation complex as well. So it's actually a good stop. I think Dan might be considering that a stop in the future rather than in San Felipe. Excellent. Okay, we're veering to the right. Under the sign that says Mex 2.
There's no sign. I would have not gone there. Look, well, there, there is not a single sign alerting you toward a border crossing.
Straight through this intersection, past the Soriana store and the Chevron that is on your right. Okay, we're turning right. We'll be going on this road straight ahead for 3.8 miles. Masters have a green light. Turn left on Cali Novena.
Too much yak.
7 copies. Thank you. Excellent. Wagon masters are pulling over once we got.
I thought the green was for us. Oh, Ray's went through too.
And we're making a right-hand turn, Caminos and Autos, where it looks weird, but it is right. Trust us.
God, see? Never.
Apparently this is coming to
Seven
that
on the
one.
radio lane.
Look at this, both of these. I would have lost.
Country border approaching.
We're not going to be having no 2-hour lineup. Yay!
Not there yet.
We were lined up last time way back there by the truck stop. Hey, it's asked.
Outcome.
Do you guys remember what date we left?
The 13th. February 13th.
They're coming.
When you get to the fellows, it is narrow, so go slowly.
Out.
Hello. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Welcome to the United States.
Yay!
No, we're heading to Parker. Do you remember what you asked for when you go there? Muy bien, amigo.
Ask for white coal.
That was a pretty good one, actually.
You cracked yourself up.
We
Are
need to
they-
be serious. No radio talk.
Hello.